happen and you say, I have a loan in the bank, then you manage your fleet properly. Even when a crash takes place, and we established that actually it was not intentional, I don't think really the ministry will wake up and say, okay, that one will suspend. No. Now for the age limit, let's also understand factors why we say 65. We are not saying don't drive your car if you have it or any vehicle, but this is a bus carrying 65 people. And we have witnessed this where somebody, even I think was from the bus, stopped at the checkpoint. As he was going, he said, let me sit here. The person ended what? Ended dying. So we think some of these causes can be, of course we are not saying if you are young you will not die at the bus, but we are looking at the extent at which, or the frequency. Now, if you are of average age, then we say, what are these habits? Speeding and whatever. Now, those are the ones you target. If they are drinking as a risk factor while driving, all those you look into them and then you consider the sanction, including suspending these drivers for 3 months, for 6 months, for a year. So these are areas of concern. So I want to appeal to the drivers. They have been coming to me, we chat, we share it when they have issues. They share with me and also I go and share with the owners what they are facing. So let's be realistic. Let's save the country by making sure that whatever we want to implement is in the interest of the country, not for vested interest of the individual, because the other person is 67, 68. Now you cannot drive, he's too tired because now you're putting him on pressure. I want to believe that these people, even when they rest, they can have a longer life. You go home, we have now PDM. The president has brought a very good program. PDM, you have 2-3 cows, you don't need the big land. So that age that is remaining, you use it productively really to either have zero grazing, you can have a banana plantation, you can have coffee. Now you can fetch some good money, a kilo between 13,000 and 15,000. So to me, I think it is just a problem of mindset. That because first of all, you are not born driving. So you can't say you will die driving. Yes, you came and started the process of driving. You are driving up to a certain level. So beyond that, you should rest. And sometimes actually you're missing the family. Yeah, the family is the most important unit in society. Now imagine that these drivers sometimes they don't have time. I think some of the children grow up when they may not even be knowing whether these are their fathers or not. So why don't I think maybe we need some counselors. Because at that age you need to rest, you need to be with your family. That's the time you should, the time maybe you are remaining on earth to enjoy more, to be with your family, than again driving, and the family even would never know that actually you are part of them, because you are on the steering full time. So we need to talk to them. And two, I also advise the owners that if you find that this driver has been good, that is not the end of life. You change the title of this driver and call him a senior driver. Now, this senior driver should not be on the steering. Can only be enforcing discipline. If they are meeting with drivers in the company, should tell them the do's and the don'ts. That's very, very, very important. They can work as supervisors. They can go into these buses, watch these, like mentoring these young drivers. Say, I saw you the way you were engaging the G at whatever, that's not what you should be doing. You are trying to push the bus into a sharp corner to this, please, next time don't do it. They can still serve in that capacity, and also it doesn't mean they should continue, because maybe they can, that would be like a time of transition.